Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to study about causes of the revolt of 1857. The revolt of 1857 was the outcome of various causes or factors. First, some political causes. The enforcement of the policy of subsidiary alliance and the doctrine of lapse reduced the kings and princes to mere subordinates. A large number of native rulers, such as those Satara, Jhansi, Sambalpur, Nagpur, and Awadh had to part with their kingdoms in an injustice manner. The British discontinued the policy of granting pensions and titles of the Indian rulers. Nana Sahib Peshwa, the adopted son of Bajirao II, was deprived of the pension. Then next, some economical causes. The land revenue policies introduced by the British made lives of the peasants very miserable. High rates of revenue and loans from moneylenders created immense misery of them. The peasants lost their rights on the land, which rendered them landless. In Britain, clothes were manufactured on machines. Thus, they were cheaper to produce. The people referred to buy them as they were much cheaper so. The handicraft industry of India was ruined. The artisans and craftsmen were ruined because of large-scale import of cheap manufactured goods from Britain. Indian goods were subjected to very heavy duty when sold in England. The people who were dependent on royal patronage for their livelihood found themselves unemployed as the old ruling classes were displaced by the British. The next, some social causes. The British passed laws banning sati system and legalizing widow remarriage, and they started social reforms in India. Women were encouraged to take up Western education. They started opening schools from women in India. The British followed a policy of racial discrimination. Indians were looked down upon by the British. They were denied high ranking jobs and promotions for Indian in the army and the administration of Britain. The next, some religious causes. The land belonging temples and mosques were taxed. The attempt of Christian missionaries to convert people to Christianity induced fear among. A law was passed in 1850 which allowed to Christian convert to inherit ancestral property. The British were started to interfere in Hindu and Muslim religions. Then next, some military causes. The Indian sepoys consisted of a major part of British army, but they were considered inferior by the British. They were paid less pay than their European counterparts. They were humiliated and treated unfairly by the British officers. All high posts in the army were reserved for the British. No Indian sepoy could rise higher than Subedar. The sepoys were not allowed to wear sectarian marks as tilak, turban, or beard. The General Service Enlistment Act 1856 was passed by which it became mandatory for new recruits to service overseas. The Hindu sepoys resented this as according to a popular belief travel across the sea led to lost caste. The soldiers were given overseas allowance bhatta to fight wars outside, but it was later discontinued. Then next, some immediate cause. In 1857, Enfield rifle was introduced in the army. The cartridges were smeared with grease and cornered with caps which had to be beaten off before use. The sepoys believed that the grease was made from the fat of cows and pigs. Hence, sepoy of both communities refused to use them. They were enraged at such disrespect shown of their religious sentiments. On 29 March 1857, Mangal Pandey, one of the Indian sepoy in British Army, refused to use of Enfield rifle and fired the British commander and asked his fellow sepoys to revolt against the use of cartridges. He was arrested and hanged on 8th April 1857. So friends, today we have studied about some important causes of the revolt of 1857. In all, there were main causes, that political causes, economical causes, social causes, religious causes, military causes, and last one is immediate cause. So friends, there are some questions for your homework, and there are some questions which you can find out the answers about these questions. So you can write down these questions. Thank you so much.